Well, this is Wash and Dash here in Fort Smith, Arkansas.
Amazing speech.
And the number one is Ultimate Car Wash, $18. Premium Car Wash, $14. Deluxe Car Wash, $10. And Wash and Dry is $8. So we're gonna choose the Ultimate Car Wash.
I want to see what I'm really. They updated it. You chose it, Mom? What does it say now? Oh wow. Select the ultimate wash. Wow. Well, it's ready, Mom.
Here. Alright, you take over, son.
I wonder what this is. I never. Oh, Mom, I've seen this before, Mom. Never mind.
This is Bay Wash. Ways, vehicle, and park. Look.
What is this? There's the dryers.
Undercarriage.
Very, very cool. Yeah. And see what the hell. I want to see the buzzer sounds right. Stop. Want to start with Tri-Foam? No, that's not Tri-Foam. It's Please Silk. I didn't see.
Well, the coverage is pretty good.
Wow. Is this a soft touch with brushes? You never.
Yes.
Is this your first time seeing this?
Yes, it is.
Nice. It has brush sound effects. It reminds me of Lycos. There's the brush. There's the side brushes. You never seen this before? Kind of setup before?
No, this is my first time.
Ah.
Yes. It does look like a Ryko, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's so similar. Why does it stop?
They got two big brushes at the back, two at the front, and then here comes the
Top brush. Wow.
brush.
You never seen it? This is your first time doing this?
Yes.
Not bad now. I should say you stop. Come on. Oh, they're not done yet. I'm gonna go on this side now. Amazing! It's so similar to a Lyco to me. I don't know what this is. I have to explain what this is.
Tire wash.
Another pack?
And then
Wow.
it's like a double.
You never seen that before? First time. Huh? Where?
Tire
I wish I could see it. These brushes never do any of the tougher things now. It's your first time to hear the sound, Mom? Huh. I wanna.
So far, good coverage.
Wow. Okay, the brushes be done. What should we have? What is this anyway, Mom? Whoa. Cool.
Is this a clear coat?
I don't know what this is. I know I didn't pay attention to what they could get us. And that's it. That was fast. It's ready, Mom. That was an open and wash. That's pretty fast.
Your $18. Hang on.
Oh, said the dryers would.
Top
Whoa.
and on this.
I didn't see those. It's so similar to that one. Huh.